how to uninstall multiple apps at once on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Browser. In this video I will walk you through the entire process step by step, so please follow along with me and watch this video till the very end if you don't want to make any mistakes. Now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So what you need to do right now is to head over to Play Store, and here you need to tab on your profile picture right here, icon in the top right corner, and now what you want to do here is to select manage apps device right here. Here you can see how much storage you're using, and here you need to tab on this this where it says how much storage do you have. Just tap on that, and here we have the ability now to select apps. Alright, so now all you need to do is to select multiple apps. Now we are able to select multiple apps, and we can delete. And now we can delete the apps at once. So after you selected the apps that you want to delete, now you need to go here and tap on the trash icon. And now uninstall selected apps. 4 apps will be uninstalled from your device. Tap on uninstall, and as you can see, these apps were automatically uninstalled. So as you can see, guys, it works. Okay, let's select now other apps. Okay, and as you can see, just tap on this icon and now tap on uninstall, and these apps are uninstalling automatically at once. So how cool that is. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos. See you guys in the next one. Take care.